Then how to add Codex. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this specific instructional tutorial today, please make absolutely sure that you already have the highly reliable Z code editor properly downloaded and fully installed on your personal computer system. After successfully verifying that crucial initial requirement, go ahead and carefully open your main Z editor application and effectively use the standard file explorer to smoothly open the specific project folder you are currently actively working on. Once the workspace is ready, closely look at the absolute bottom left corner of the main Z application window. You will clearly see a small star icon safely placed right there. Securely click directly on that specific icon to properly open the main agent panel. Alternatively, you can incredibly quickly open this helpful agent panel by simultaneously pressing the standard Control and Shift and / keyboard key combination. Once the main agent panel is open, carefully look at the absolute top section of the active panel. Firmly click on the prominent plus New Thread button to effectively start a completely new working session today. A brand new drop-down menu will immediately appear. From this newly opened menu, accurately select the Add More Agents option to proceed. After doing that, precisely use the provided search bar to carefully and thoroughly search for the official Codex CLI package. Once you successfully find it right in the generated search results, confidently click the prominent Install button safely located right next to it. After the entire installation process is absolutely completely finished, safely click the plus New Thread button exactly once again. This specific time, accurately choose Codex CLI directly from the provided list of currently available agents. After successfully doing that, you can easily choose from various different available ways to securely log in. For this clear instructional example, I will explicitly choose to log in securely with ChatGPT. Your system default web browser will instantly open automatically. Safely choose your personally preferred account to securely authenticate your credentials. Once the login process is completely successful, smoothly go straight back to your main Z editor window. Finally, try to actively communicate with Codex by simply typing a very simple prompt, exactly like a standard greeting, to successfully check if it is perfectly installed and fully working in your Z editor.